Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix system shutdown issue in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, open Task Manager and click on Performance. Okay, now check here. This PC is not shut down previous 7 days, 22 or 26 minutes. Now I am going to show you how to fix this problem. Okay, now close the Task Manager. Now press Windows plus R key for run command. Type here control panel, hit enter. Okay, now search here power option, click on power options. Okay, now click on choice what the power button do. Okay, click on this. After this, click on change setting that are currently unavailable. Click on. Now uncheck this, turn on fast startup recommended. Okay, after uncheck, click on save changes, close control panel option. Okay, restart PC and then check once again, open task manager. Okay, now check here, click on performance. Now you see here this PC start before 1 minute only. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.